In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard, which is an artificial intelligence tool made by Google. So this is made to compete with ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you some useful features that this AI tool has, because you can link your Google services and products with it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to Google Bard. Now, to do that, just go ahead and search for Google Bard. So head over to Google, search Google Bard, and it should be the first one here, bard.google.com. So this is Google's new artificial intelligence tool. Now, when you first open it, it's going to give you a notification, which is going to tell you that it's a work in progress and that you need to accept the terms and conditions. And it may not always be correct. The more you give it feedback, the more it's going to understand. But right now, this is an experiment mode. So this is Google's AI experiment, basically. So you can see here, we've got some prompts. We've got the understand, as well as create and explore. And below them, we have more sub prompts that we can go ahead and click on. So let's just choose the bottom one here, type of diet, and it's going to give me an example of what we can say to Google Bard. Now at ChatGPT, Google Bard has a prompt text box, right? So here, if we want to understand the keto dollar, we can get Google Bard to explain it in simple terms. Assuming that I know nothing about the field, use simple and easy to use language. So let's go ahead and submit this and see what Google Bard says. Now, because this is an AI tool, it's going to give you a different response pretty much every time. And as you can see, we have an easy to digest overview about the keto diet. Now, suppose I want to ask you a follow-up question. How many calories should I eat in a day? I am a male, 5'6", 160 pounds. And it's going to then reply based on the conversation. So it remembers things in the conversation. Okay, so that is the basic AI features that you're probably used to with ChatGPT. What Google Bards also have, if you go to extensions in the top right, you can connect Bard with Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, and YouTube. And then you can use this connection to ask better questions and get information quicker. So let's say we can click here on Pack accordingly, and we'll just use Google Bard's example here to find flights to Miami for New Year's. Now, if we've got Google Flights connected, it's going to then show us exact flights all on this page. So you can see the Google Flights extension has been recognized. And there we go. It's going to tell us a round trip. It's going to give us prices. Now I'm in Pakistan, so my default currency is going to be rupees. So don't freak out there. It's going to tell us different prices in different airlines. It's going to say we can find more details here, and it's going to tell us the temperature and what we need to pack. It's also going to give us flights here that we can click on, and these will take us straight to that flight on Google Flights. You can also give your feedback on the response by using these buttons. So that was a quick overview of Google Bard. Let me know if you think it will take over ChatGPT. And if you found this video helpful, then leave like and subscribe for future tutorials.